bloom and learn, kids. First, let's turn on the water and put your hands under the water. Wet, wet, wet. Hello, water. Now turn off the water. Thank you, water. Next, one little pump of soap. Pop. Bubbles are ready to dance. Now, rub your hands together on the palms. Rub, rub, rub. Can you see the bubbles grow? Next, rub the backs of your hands. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Look, so many bubbles. Don't forget between your fingers. Tickle, tickle, scrub, scrub. Bubbles everywhere. Now wash your thumbs. Round and round. Great job. Keep going. Next, rub your fingertips. Look, the bubbles are twinkling. Now, turn on the water again. Put your hands under the water. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Bye-bye bubbles. Make sure all the soap is gone. Now turn off the water. Thank you, water. Now use the towel. Yeah, paper towel. Pat, pat, pat. Hands are clean and dry. Wow, your hands are super clean. High five. Great job, little hand washer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.